Hi, my name is Marcus Barnett, founder of Space and Travel. Wanted to share quickly with you a new project that we're working on called Ecotype. It is a sustainable typewriter and related accessories. And basically the goal of it is really to see that the future has a way to capture thoughts, inspire imagination, communicate with others, get offline and just, have thoughts be able to be typed out and eventually shared with others, and have that be done in a eco-friendly, sustainable way. So once again, it's Ecotype, Ecotype. I've started a fundraiser, starting a fundraiser online. Started it. It's right there. And I've been researching. Hi Chip. I probably forgot to say that in the beginning, but been researching lab spaces to be able to start doing prototypes and materials, and just really trying to get it off the ground. So I just want to say thank you Chip, for putting this together and allowing us to share our dreams and passions. Bye.